Mr. Homeschool.
Hi, Mr. Homeschool here. So today's lesson is going to be all about how to make a paper popper. When I was a kid, this was da bomb. You might have heard it called a paper popper or a paper bomb, but either way, this is the most easy and effective way that I remember doing it back in school.
All you need is a piece of paper, so let's go.
So you start with the paper long ways like this. You fold about an inch or so down. Doesn't have to be perfect, but this is going to help stabilize it. Okay? Now fold up to make it half, right on top, and then fold left to right, right over it. Nice and straight. Okay? So now that's folded, all you gotta do is bring these kind of down. You hold them by where you folded it in. There you go. And that's it. Hey, thanks for coming with us to learn all about how to make a paper popper. Hey, do you want to hear a joke about paper?
Sure.
Never mind, it's terrible.
If you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to this channel.